Hey sophomores, this is Mrs. Tucker. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about your Avid kODAK Moment project. kODAK is a big film producing, picture taking company, so that's why they call it kODAK Moments. That used to actually be their commercial, just so you know. So I know that this is a little bit tougher for those of you who are AVL, so I wanted to give you some opportunities to be able to see how to do this on your own, which I know it's actually not as fun. I apologize. But you'll notice, guys, that it says here that you're on a team. You are a team of one. Your team will be responsible for taking photos listed below. And guys, like I said in the original assignment, I don't expect you to get every single one of these photos, but I am asking you to be creative. So take a photo of each student on your team individually. Well, that means I need a picture of you. Take a photo with your team and the words Alvin High School Avid. Well, if you're creative, you could do something like go to Alvin ISD. You could go to Alvin High School. You could go to faculty. You could go down here to Tucker, and then notice it says somewhere on here Alvin High School, and the word Avid is on here. That's cool. So maybe something like that. I know that's kind of, long shot, but you could do something like that. So you've got a few other, take a team photo of your choice. So again, that would be another picture of you, because a team photo or individual, I would be creative and say maybe have your little brother, your little sister, your dog, maybe you have stuffed animals, they could be your team. Find your counselor. So guys, again, to be creative, our school, look, counselors, and guess what? You can find your counselor somewhere on here. There's information. I'm trying to find, oh, no, can't find it. But hey, guess what? This picture right here, it has all the counselors. So be creative, right? Take a picture with your Avid teacher. That would be me. So you know what I would do if I were you? See, I'm on this video, and you could take a picture of you watching the video, and then you have a picture with me. Oh my gosh, mind blown. You take a picture of you standing on your head, that's on you. I can't help you. A photo with the tutor, I wouldn't worry about that. Again, you guys haven't seen or worked with the tutors this year. Number 9, I wouldn't worry about. Organized binders, or even your organized Google folder. We can do that. So you're going to keep going, do as many as you can, being creative. But let's go back up here. It says all photos should be emailed. Do not email me your photos. Your team will need to add a creative caption to each photo. Organize the shots to form a positive word on a poster. So guys, what I would do if I were you, come over here to Google, come over here to, let me move myself, come over here to slides. And guys, if you create a new Google slide, and let's say I'm going to insert some images, I'm going to upload from my computer. So I'm going to go here to my pictures for Mrs. Tucker. I know you don't know. Hey, there's my dad. I'll let you guys see my dad a long time ago. Oh, that is Mr. Tucker. No, actually, Alvarado is my dad's name. So I'm going to take that picture because I'm going to build a word. Now, what I can do, and I'm actually probably just going to use the same picture over and over. You guys, of course, are going to have different pictures. Guess what? This is my dad again. But I'm going to try to build a word using his pictures. I'm going to insert. I'm going to go back again. Let's see how many more pictures I have of my dad. I think I have some. Oh, I've been looking for this picture, guys. Sorry. So I like that shirt. What do you guys think? Send me a nod, yes or no. So I'm going to move this up. I'm going to move this up. I'm going to move this over. I know you're probably like, Mrs. Tucker, it's not even a word. I know. Bear with me. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. All right. So I'm going to steal this one. Again, not necessarily a picture from the thing. I'm going to put that right there, and I'm going to insert one more picture, and you might see what I'm doing. Let me find one. Ooh, let's use that one. Okay, now, whoa, that's huge. Make it smaller, 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 and then, all right, tell me what letter that looks like. If I go across, down, a little one, it is an F. You're right. So that's not a word, guys, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put F, and then on the next slide, I'm going to put a U, and then the next slide, I'm put an N with my pictures. So my word is going to be fun. Yay, because avid is fun. Now, if you want to put all of it across on one poster, make your pictures a lot smaller, and then put, fun, F-U-N here. You can do that, and then you're going to go ahead and share that with me. So, but it does, remember, need to be a positive word that describes avid. Maybe avid is just fun for me. Hopefully it's fun for you guys. I hope that helps you just a little bit. Again, be as creative as you can. And for my AVL students who are working alone, you can even create some other ones on here that are not necessarily just related to Avid. But just be creative. Be as creative as you can. Again, I know that it's tough, but let me know if you have questions or need help. Thanks, guys. Bye.